Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the Amazon Basics 3-piece non-stick frying pan set, which comes with an 8-inch pan, a 10-inch pan, and a 12-inch pan. All three of them supposed to be non-stick, and they have this curved edge right here, which is not as straight down as most pans. I really like that as well. So I figured I'd go ahead and do a small review on them and see exactly how non-stick they are. I'm going to cook a little bit of bacon and a little bit of eggs this morning for some breakfast. So stay tuned for that, guys. And before we do that, we're going to go ahead and season our pans just as we have to. And I always season my pans with table salt. Let's go ahead and put some table salt in here. And what you're going to want to do is place it all around the pan like so. Nice and even. Now, since we have our table salt in there, let's go ahead and place our burners on high. And we will brown our salt a little bit to season our pan. So stay tuned and we'll go ahead and make us some bacon and eggs. Alright, now since I poured the salt out of this pan, you can tell that salt was actually browning a lot quicker. So I believe this one is ready to wipe out and is ready to be considered completely seasoned. This one still has some time to go. I don't know if it's the difference in eye or if it's the difference in pan between the 8-inch and the 10-inch. We're just going to give it a little bit more time to brown that salt and season that pan up. Make sure it is completely non-stick. Alright, now I gave it a little bit of extra time and it's starting to brown a little bit, but I'm ready to go ahead and eat some breakfast, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get to cooking and test out both of these 8 and 10-inch pans. Alright, now since we got the eggs and the bacon going, let's go ahead and pick up the egg pan and see what we've got. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Yep, these are definitely great non-stick pans. You can actually find these pans on Amazon for $26.99 during the filming of this video. I'm not sure what they will be by the time you guys are watching this, but I will leave a link down in the description below if you guys want to check them out for yourselves and possibly get you some brand new pans. These ones are really cool and great for a budget too. Those eggs are done, so I'm going to go ahead and lay them over here. Continue to cook our bacon a little bit longer, and we'll go ahead and fast forward until the bacon's done. The bacon's probably not going to stick anyway, guys, so I just decided to include this because I'm trying to make some breakfast. I'm hungry. Ooh, that black pepper is smelling amazing on that bacon. Always does. Last night I just now made some bacon wrapped chicken in my air fryer that I just got from Corsair, and that one was an amazing video as well. Amazing meal that I made from it. And yeah, I just figured I would make another meal video and show you guys the new pans that I got. So hope you like this video. Be sure to let me know down in the comment section below whether you like your bacon floppy, or if you like it crispy, or if you like it extra crispy. Let me know down in the comment section below. My personal preference, I like it right in the middle of floppy and crispy. I want a little crisp in the middle like it is right now. I want a little flop on the edges on the both sides like I'm getting right there. Looking real nice, guys. I'm very excited about this bacon and these eggs. So far, so good on the Amazon pans. Really loving them, guys. Definitely working, really non-stick. And I got 3 for under $10 a piece, basically, because I had to pay $26.99 for all 3 of them. So let me know what you guys think about the value you get from all 3 pans for the price that you pay. I think it's a great price and a great value, and I could actually go for buying another set of these just for when these go out, or another set for my RV as well. I'm actually going to be cutting this video a little bit short today. I actually tested out the eggs, and the bacon is definitely not sticking as well. But I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.